The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Friday morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is the last day of the week. It is also the last day of this room link. I will have the new link posted today at some point. You guys will all have to register sometime today, tomorrow, Sunday, or early Monday for the next 2-week segment. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to your last day. I have sent my final email. Everyone in the room that's here on trial should know what your barrier to admission is if you would like to be with us going forward starting Monday. If you guys are here on trial, maybe around 10:45, I will do a brief presentation. I don't do big sales pitches, guys. Trading and the bots speak for themselves. So there's no reason for a sales job, if you will. In any event, guys, good morning. We are shorts for the moment. I will show you guys charts in a second. Net ES-BOT is up 787.50. It has taken 2 trades this morning since 6 a.m., a winning long and a winning short. So we're up 787.50 on the ES-BOT. There have been no trades yet on crude. Russell, of course, doesn't come on until 9:30. And the NASDAQ is up 845 today. Natural gas is in a trade, just had a failed short by a tick. I'm not sure if we've had any other trades. Yeah, we had a short here and failed short here, and now a long to first target only. So natural gas spot is down 940. That'll turn around on one trade. So we'll see what we get with gas, but ES and NASDAQ are very nicely green. We do have some news this morning. We've had some earnings reports. Citigroup beat top and bottom. JP Morgan missed, or Morgan Stanley missed. They beat on the bottom line, but they missed on the top line barely. JP Morgan has beaten. Morning, Barry. And Wells Fargo has beaten. There is a UK press conference later this morning, and they're going to talk about the ending of the, they had a 2-week period where they were buying bonds to stabilize the bond market, but they are ending it according to them. So we have retail sales at 8:30. I don't see any speakers. 10:30. Lisa Cook, don't even know who she is. Federal Reserve Board Governor Lisa Cook, don't even know her. Before the national bankers, honoring the past, shaping the future. So I don't think there's anything there. And that's it. Next week we get into earnings pretty good. Joel is not on vacation. Why? As far as I know, he came back on the 1st, 2 weeks ago. What you need, Barry? In any event, guys, good morning. We're going to get at him again today to the best of our abilities. That's generally not a Joel problem. When you say you can't connect, what does that mean? Explain to me what that means. And then I'll quickly read the disclaimer and we'll go over charts. Have you tried building them? Have you tried building them? All right. You tried. Have you tried shutting down Ninja and reloading? I mean, I really can't do this here, but shut down your Ninja and reload. I don't know if you've tried that, but sometimes you have to shut Ninja down when you build a bot on the chart. There's only one time frame, Stuart. It's a daily VWAP. And good morning. Barry, I will take a look at if you have TeamViewer, I will take a look at your bots. But that's generally not a Joel issue. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own account. Please trade according to your tolerance for needs to get above 75 quarter. I think it does. It's pushing 15-minute resistance. Probably get to 83. It may get these two targets. Greg, where you short gold? What price? Yeah, I think gold comes down to 54. What's your target? There's target 1 on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I think 54. We could even come 51. Morning, Tom. Excuse me. Morning, Albert. Waited for your call again yesterday. What's up, brother? Nice job, Paul. Okay. Today is going to be tough after I close the room. You can call me later in the day. We've got, you may not have been here for it. My wife and I are hosting 13 seniors from the nursing home for lunch that my wife takes our therapy dog to. There's both targets. And tomorrow I'm gone fishing. You can call me Sunday. I'll be around Sunday. ZB is long, guys. If you like ZB, it's long. NASDAQ looks like we're going to head up to yesterday's high. Greg, what do you got on NASDAQ? Close over VWAP. You want to be long, but you are buying ahead of the news. You're short NASDAQ? Oh. I would say I'm done. I'll be free and clear to have, talk, Nolan, after 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, my time. Bonds are long. ZB is long. Natty gas coming down, but I'm not selling a bottom, so it's too close to the bottom for me. And with only 56 sellers, not for me. Copper's trying to get a bid. Crude oil looks like it's rolling over. Crude oil maybe a short below 40, maybe a little bit lower, 35. There's 38, 37. Greg concurs, so it's a good trade. Crude is short, fellas, 35. There's your short. Target 1, maybe 18. You guys are trading multiples, 18 on crude. Yeah. I'm not built for that anymore. We are above VWAP, so I think we go up and test 3,700. This will probably spike on the news. Let's see what we're looking for here. Looking for 2% versus 3 prior, excluding autos, month over month, minus 1% versus minus 3. Autos and so we're looking for a draw or lessor with excluding autos and gas. Oil obviously being up will be reflected in the next report. It does not look good for the next CPI. All right, guys. 40 seconds. We want to see a miss. We want to see it come in lower. We definitely don't want to see it higher. Boom. Lower. That's good for us. Lower. That's a miss. Excluding auto. That's a miss. No, sit tight. We don't sit tight, man. I should have turned this off, but we just got to. There you go. NASDAQ's up $2,000. $2,000. $2,000 on the NASDAQ bot. ES is up 1275. I'm shutting them off, guys, for this news. ES is going to take another long. I shut the bot off. Another target hit. Let me look. It only came down about 5 ticks. 5 ticks. ZB. All right, guys, I shut the bots off quickly. CL got target, fellas. Target 1 for those of you guys that took it. ES is long to 3,700 is what it looks like, right where it is. It's got to get above 95, but I would sit tight. Here's my preference. We have to get back above 3,700. We are above VWAP. It is pre-market. I don't like pre-market to begin with, but it looks longs to me to 3,700 and then a break above 3,700.03. We target 37, 25, 30 area. Now, if you guys are aggressive and pre-market is cool with you, you can take it long here with a first target at 3,700. I will not take that trade, just so we're clear. Thank you, Amin. Appreciate that. Putin's made no decision yet on attending the G20 summit. He sees no need for talks with President Biden. Shocker. Come on, man. Come on. You guys should be long 03. Targeting 25 to 30, fellas. We're just booming them. Booming them. I would not be at break even if I entered at 37.03. No, I would be below 3,700, maybe 99. So you're risking 4 handles. 3,700 needs to be support now. No, I would not short below 3,700. No. Well, maybe. But if I did, it would probably be around 90. I would want to be well below 3,700. I don't want to see a fake breakdown. I don't see any I mean, again, anybody see any reason to be short? I don't yet. The only things I see right now, fellas, are dead people and logs. NASDAQ breaks out above 185. You can kiss it long goodbye. That's right. Just read the chart, man. Trade what you see. Trade what you see. Never what you think. It's a hard thing to do. You know, emotions are a big deal. I know. Everybody thought I was nuts when I was taking longs at the bottom. I know. Out. Let's see here. Arjan. UK finance minister is fired after 38 days. You guess he had the shortest political career ever. Over disastrous tax plan 2 weeks after taking office, Kwarteng announced the economic plans he had drawn up with Prime Minister Truss. This included a major tax cut for the rich. I'm with that. For example, the highest tax bracket was scrapped. The crowd was not happy with it. I'm good with tax breaks for the rich. I'm hoping to get there, so I'd like to, have something to shoot for. Guys, if the NASDAQ breaks out above 185, it is wholly gone. I mean, it is gone. All right, so there's your 12, 13 small resistance on the ES. Again, you are not coming out. If you are in at 03, as I said, trade them as you see fit, but these are the trades where you make a chunk. Who's in at 03 and getting anxious? 25 to 30 is your target. Above that, we go 50. Look at this short squeeze. Look at this short squeeze. Massive. Massive. All right, we're at 20. We're at 20. Thank you, Ken. $22. Boom. Guys, you have almost 20 handles, $1,000 per contract in this sucker. If you guys didn't make money, yeah, I don't really either, Paul, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. All right, so here comes 25. Nice job, Doug. I understand. I understand. All right, there's 25. This may still go, guys. 30. You're welcome, Nolan. Everybody happy, fellas? Everybody happy? I told you all who took NASDAQ above 185. This son of a bitch needs to pack a lunch. Guys, this is an epic squeeze. Epic freaking squeeze. Epic freaking squeeze. Nice job, Ken. Epic. We have a long on crude, by the way, on the bot. This is an epic squeeze. Nice job, Johan. Nice job, Ryan. That's fine. Look at this squeeze. Holy Nikes. Next target up, 50 on the ES. 50. Seriously, this is epic. All right, guys. Tom got 2 more funded accounts. You're welcome, man. 6 total. Nice job, Tom. Nice job, Robert. All right, guys. Greg made $6,125 in his $250,000 combine on that ES trade alone. The guy I'd like to hear from right now. Let me see if he's in the room first. Ed, tell me how you did. Ed D. You should have been long, buddy, at 03 with 25 target. That was a funded account right there. Please tell me you got funded. How about my brother? Is he in? Rick, you in the room? He's not. Unfreaking believable. All right, fellas, I'm going to breakfast. Anybody have any questions before I go? Nice job. Crude oil, guys, got target one. Target one. Now let's wait till the open, Nolan. I mean, you just made a shit ton of money. Okay, Ed. You just made a ton of money. Sit tight. Sit tight. Do not let your emotions get the best of you. Trying to find a be right back, guys, so that's why I'm hanging out here. You're welcome, Paul. I mean, again, guys, if you folks are here on trial and you can find a better room, you should join it. And I would appreciate an email so that I can join it. All right, fellas, so ZB got target. You're better off focusing on a couple of markets, Ken. Don't be like me. I watch a lot of markets, but I've been doing this for a long time. You're better off focusing on 2 markets, 3 at the max, and don't make your 2 markets ES and NQ. I mean, you're essentially trading the same thing, right? So ideally, you want to look at crude oil, maybe gold, and one of the indices. It will, CL and ES. That will make your life a lot easier. And then here, I'll show you guys something. There was your entry, guys, 95. Disregard this. Disregard this, guys. I'm lagging. God damn it. Man, do I hate Ninja. Seriously. Yep, I know. I'm reloading. Ninja sucks. They just suck. It's 193 now, guys. 193. NASDAQ's 193. 193. 171. All right, I'm caught up now. 172. All right, Russell sold on the bot. Target one filled, Russell on the bot. Let me just see how the ES is, guys. Let me see if that we're at 01. Yeah, might be. I got to reload ES as well. Now I got to reload ES. We're coming down to 67. NASDAQ's going to short, guys. NASDAQ's at 30. I'm caught up on NASDAQ. All right, out on that. Targets 1 and 2 hit. NASDAQ target 067. 067. Oh 67 target. NASDAQ. We're at 17, 18, 9, 16. NASDAQ. 22, 23. All right, I'm out of NASDAQ, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out of NASDAQ. I don't have us long yet. See if my order flow is good. Yeah, we're good on order flow. Got a 158 buyer here. Now it's coming down. God dang it. There we go. That's lagging. We're at 140, fellas. Fargan Ninja. Man, I'll tell you. Seriously. ES. Let me see if I'm disregarding NASDAQ for now. I'm not paying any attention to NASDAQ. ES is long to maybe 14 from here. It's 11.75. There's 13. There's 15 on ES. $17 on ES. 18, 19, 17 half ES. I am not watching whatsoever NASDAQ. I am not watching NASDAQ. Target is 28 on ES, guys. If you took that 11, 12. Come on, push up, baby. Let's go. Let's get to 28. Rip it up. There's 20 half, 21, 22, 23, 25. Whoa, another huge winner, guys. Another big winner, ES. Come on, give me 28. Come on, baby. Come on, get above 26. Let's go. Squeezing like a mother. Here we go. Come on. You guys can take some risk off ES if you bought 12, 11, 12. Take some risk off, stop his break even, and hold her. We're going here. We're going here. There's 20. Come on, baby. This is lagging. We're at 16. Hold here. Come on, don't come back down. Ignore my ninja, guys. Ignore it. Target is 65, fellas. NQ got target at 67. Ten handles. Guys, just run the damn ES down to 36.65. I'm telling you, it's coming. It's got to break below 85 now. If you guys want to take risk off, you shorted 90, you got 5 handles already. If you guys, oh, there goes crude. I missed it, Greg. I'm in it now. NASDAQ still coming, guys. We got 67. Okay, Greg. 67, target hit, NASDAQ. And still going. 10 handles below. It looks like we're going to get cooked. ES gave 7 handles or so. Could get a bounce here. NASDAQ, no bounce. ES is at 87.75, 92. The only way this is a long for me is back above 3,700. Short of that, no interest. Well, first off, with CL, your stop that if you took that trade, your stop is 42, so it's a big stop. That's just a trade I did with Greg. I didn't put it on. It's not a trade I did in the room. Let's see here, Tom. You're up over 12 grand, done for the week. Nice job, Tom. Stuart, nice job, up $1,000. We're coming down, guys. I'm telling you, we're coming down. 65. CL target, you could take some risk off. If we break this 87 on CL, you could take some risk off at 78. 78, target one, and then just hold it. NASDAQ's headed down to what looks like 11,013. Nice job on me. No buyers yet. NASDAQ's coming down, guys. I have a target now at 11,013. If you're short and still running them, that first target's been hit. NASDAQ just shorted on the bot. Target one filled. Out. NASDAQ's up 24.75 today. ES is trying to short on the bot. Not yet. $42. $42, Patrick. All right, ES shorted on the bot. I can't move it. Come on, rat bag. It's target one filled ES. I can't move. Oh, there it is. Target one filled ES. Target two filled ES. This just hasn't caught up, but this is up somewhere around 1762. ES is up 1762 today. NASDAQ bot is up 24.75. Russell's up 360. Still short CS, guys. 65 target from 90. 65 target. Trade them as you see fit, but the target is 6.5. If anybody's short, 68 target. I'll tell you what the target one is on crude. 78. Target one is 78 on crude. 78. 78. Come on, buddy. 5 more ticks. The only interest I have in a long is if we go back over 3,700. Corn took off like a rocket. Crude target one filled. Now hold it. Now hold it. If you're short crude. Now it's free fall. Next target 86.60, 40, 20. Interesting increments, but those are the targets. Trade runners always as you see fit. Guys, give me 1 minute, please. We almost got that 11 target. We came to 29. NASDAQ short again on the bot. This may be the first losing trade on the NASDAQ. Yep, first losing trade. Morning, Hubba. We have completely annihilated them today. Just annihilated them. Caught a 30-point winner on ES in the pre-market, 30 handles. Have a short going from 90 on the ES now. Huge winner on the NASDAQ, big winner in crude, winner in bonds. I am in fuego. Now we're just chunking around here, fellas. Chunking around. Let me see spies. Yes, Nolan. There's no reason for you not to be short. There's no reason to be long. We're just floating here, guys, on the 10-minute chart. That's all. Take money if you want it. If you guys look at it any time, if you guys want to take profits, take them. Michigan consumer sentiment, that should be a miss. I don't know what they're expecting. I don't care about business inventories. Oh, here we go. 58.8 versus 58.6. 58.8 versus 58.6. How you like that ES trade now? 65 target from 90. Bam. Bam. Guys, if you guys haven't had the biggest days you've ever had in your trading careers today, you're never gonna. How about crude? Now if you're trading multiples, you're running them. You're running them. Target one was 65. ES has bounced back up to 68. We came down to 50 freaking 3. Frank's up $7,000. Anybody having their biggest days ever? Anybody having their biggest days ever? Nice job, guys. Nice job, Nolan. That's great. That's freaking awesome. Now that they got long sucked in, you're welcome. Let it slow down after the news, guys. And yet, we're cranking all over the place, guys. I'm watching SPY. This 360 SPY calls are interesting here. We're at 364.70, 80, 365 SPY calls, 365 for Monday. I wouldn't buy them for today's expiration. Monday, 365 calls for Monday. We're back at 72, so once again, Ninja's all jacked up. I'm not shutting down again. 73. I would look to be long above 700. It's the only place I'm taking a long. 3,700. We are at 71, 30 handles below. Yes, 365 SPY calls for Monday. They're already at 365.37. They're up $1 from where I gave them. NASDAQ's at 995. ES is at 70. I still have us in shorts, guys. Disregard my Ninja. Russell short on the bot again. Target one filled, Russell. Okay, Deepak. Nice job. Out on that. Magnus, you're so late you should have stayed in bed. We've had an enormous day. Enormous. You see if I'm even close. 64. I'm not even close again. Man, do I hate this freaking Ninja. 2 targets hit RTY. Got 1 target left. NASDAQ's going to short, guys, on the bot. All three targets hit. RTY bought up $1,000. Anybody still running ES, guys? Anybody still running ES? Still short ES. Nice. Hold them. I'll give you another level. So below that 65, we shorted 90. Below 65, right? Let's see here where I'm reloading the chart, guys. 36.25. I'm reloading the damn chart. Yeah, my ninja is too, guys. I think I'm accurate at 51. I am. That's accurate now. 50 half, 51. I mean, guys, we got 30 handles on the long in pre-market. You have 50 handles on the short. Look at this crude. You got almost a buck in crude. NASDAQ on the hourlies is into some support. We could bounce here. I'll tell you what the hidden phenomenon is. I can read a chart. ES headed to 25, guys, on the hourlies. 25. No reprieve for today. Now they got yesterday's FOMO traders long, and they're killing them. They're killing them. Killing them. They'll just run these guys out of Dodge and then move the market back up again. I mean, that's just the game. Coming up on 10:15. It's been an exciting couple hours, fellas. Do I have anybody in the room not making money? Is there anybody that has not made money? If you are down money, no. If you're out, you're out, Nolan. You're done. Ozzy, again, Ozzy, son of a gun. Albert, what are we going to do with him? Guys, is there anybody not making money? If you're down, please let me know. Okay, Ryan. You called Brinks again for the second time to get the money out? Nice. You're welcome, Nolan. Guys, listen, it's what I'm here for, right? It is rare when we don't make money. We have down days for sure. Fed Daily speaking. He was unscheduled. CPI is disappointing, but not surprising. I guess that's one way to look at it. Tripled your daily goal. Nice job, Joe. ES is coming down to 25.26. Let me see if the NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ bounced. Crackhead bounced off that low. And still has a 400 contract positive delta. Daily saying the housing demand is cooling. You guys are now on crude over $1,000 runner. Those of you that took it, thank my friend Greg. That was his trade, not mine. But there is no doubt we have to be more restrictive on policy. I mean, they're telling you guys. Yesterday was fun. Today was fun, unless you're holding positions long. Nice job, Johan. Up 6,300. Best day ever. Corn is going to short. We have a short now on the NASDAQ bot. See if we can get another winner. Come on, baby. Come on down. We're holding those pivots. I'm very tempted to want longs down here. There's target one. Out. Let's go, Don. Let's go, baby. Another NASDAQ short. Another first target. Another second target. Daily reiterating, the Fed is not talking about pausing or stopping. That just hasn't caught up yet, guys. It's frozen. Yesterday, while fun, now is looking like the biggest bull trap in the last 6 months. That's frozen. God dang, Ninja. Daily emphasizing we still need to get rates up before holding there. We will stop rates when it's appropriate. Then we can correct course if needed. Yes, Don, if you're in the room, I do, yes. I have a commercial account. For those of you guys that in the room that are sensitive to, I have no shorts here. We are below 2 standard deviations. Oh my goodness, another bot trade on the NASDAQ. It's a short. I don't like it. We're selling near the bottom. I don't like it at all. Doesn't mean it doesn't work. I just don't see it. So what I'm going to do, guys, down here is I'm going to change this. This is going to go to a loss, I believe. We're getting pretty close to a bounce. So I'm going to shut that off, and I'm going to put it on longs only. So this will only take longs now. Okay? I am not interested in taking shorts down here on the bottom. I'm more interested in a long. All right, guys, I'm going to take a NASDAQ long. I'll tell you when. Not yet. All right, I took a long on the NASDAQ. I'm long at 10. I'm long at 10. I'm long at 10. And here we go, ski. I'm long at 10. We're now at 30. Here we go, mother hucker. There we go. There we go. Come on, give me 40. Give me 30 handles, baby. Take some risk off. Take some risk off. Take some risk off. We could push all the way back now to 11,030. Okay? Got a little bit of work to do, but 11,030. We now have 600 net buyers down here. Caught the damn bottom, fellas. I think we caught the bottom. Stop should be even if you're trading multiples. If you're trading one, you best be out. We don't swing for the fence on one. ES as well. I didn't get it, but ES, guys, you can take a long above 50. Where's my damn chart? Frozen. Of course it is. Anybody catch NASDAQ long? Anybody catch NASDAQ long? She's going, fellas. I'm telling you, she's going to go now. I think she's going to go. Now we've got shorts sucked in and weak-handed longs from yesterday out. And now they can go bury the shorts. Here we go, ski. ES is long above 50. If you are trading multiples in NASDAQ, stop is break even and you have some risk off. My entry was 10. Just needs to push up. We've got minor resistance, right? It's pushing through it. Come on, baby. Next level to get through is 43 and you get to 60 quickly. Through 43, you're going to get to 60. Come on, baby. Up to 800 net buyers. Here comes the cavalry right at 1030. You're welcome, Ryan. You're above 43. We're going to 60. We're going to 60. ES above 50 is your entry. First target 57. Didn't get to 50 yet. Come on, NASDAQ. We have 950 net buyers. This is the start of the up move. My opinion. And we have a natural gas bot trade. I'll take it there too. I'll add in there. Yeah. I'm going to ride it till there, and then I'll add in. We should get to 60 to 70 area now. We have 1,100 net buyers. NES at 37. Okay. Wouldn't have been my entry, but okay. It works. All right, guys. Let me ask you a question, Robert. Do you shut your machine off at night? Do you shut your machine off? All right, so here's what I want you to do. Right click, reload all historical data. Okay? $2,000 day on 5 micros is phenomenal. And let's see here, guys. Natural gas. I can, yes, Paul. I would need your, send me an email with your home address and everything. I can use PayPal, in which case I don't need it. You just pay with a credit card or a debit card. Hang on, guys. No, I'll send you an invoice vis-a-vis your email address. Send me an email and tell me what I'm sending, though. I don't know what I'm doing, Paul. All right, guys, here's what I'm going to do because we're about done for the day. I am going to okay, weekly bot totals, fellas. This is primarily for the video here, as well as for my trials. NQ today was plus 545 on the day. The week plus 3,345. That's NASDAQ. ES today plus 2,750 week plus 1,563. RTY today plus 1,075 week plus 1,575 CL today minus 1,080 week plus 2,120, and natural gas today minus 2,480 week minus 2,180. Bot weekly total overall plus 6,423. Yeah, I don't have time, Paul. You may have not been in the room earlier. My wife and I are hosting 13 seniors for lunch, and I have to help my wife get set up. And being as I'm Italian, I'm the one making the pasta. I'll be free after 3 o'clock my time. Guys, those are your bot totals. If you guys are here on trial, if you folks are here on trial, I'm in Eastern time zone. If you folks are here on trial, I will not be sending any follow-up emails today. You have heard from me for the last time. This is what the bots did for the week. You're welcome, Robert. Order flow trades were out freaking standing. Order flow trades were out freaking standing. So you add the bot trades in with order flow trades. If you guys don't think you can come into this room and make 2,000-3,000 a week, I think you're foolish. For the trials, if you guys have looked at all of the membership options, the order flow option is no longer available. That class started 7 weeks ago. My next order flow class will be probably in March. But that class started 7 weeks ago, so that's off the board. But the best value, and I'm sure all of you have figured it out already, is the annual membership, which gives you 12 months in the trade room, in addition to the full version bot. That is $34.97. The other two options for your membership is the full version bot, which allows you to trade the 5 instruments that I do. Most of the room does not trade natural gas, at least on the bot. And we have other instruments, for instance, YM or gold, if you don't trade natural gas. But the full version of the bot, Doug joined 2 weeks ago as an annual member, and he's already paid for his annual membership in his second week. If you guys did $2,500 the week of his trial on one contract. The full version of the bot, which is $24.97, allows you to trade whatever you'd like. 20 instruments if you'd like. That's $24.97 for you guys. That comes with 3 months at no charge in the trade room. At the end of 3 months, if you elect to stay, you may remain for $199 a month. The other option for the bot is a 2-instrument bot. So let's say you said, well, I don't trade crude. I trade the NASDAQ and ES. The bot is only licensed to trade those 2 instruments. And you can trade on either of the bot versions, both micros or minis. The 1697 2-instrument bot also allows for 3 months at no charge in the trade room. Okay? If any of my trials that are here have an interest in joining and being with me on Monday, please send me an email, tell me what you'd like to do, and we will get you set up. And I can make money every day. And I have members in this room that make money generally every day. I inevitably have members that don't make money. Okay? No, they don't count as two separate instruments. No. NQ and MNQ would be the same instrument. So it would be the NASDAQ and something else. You can trade the micros on either. You could set up a bot for NASDAQ, a bot for NQ, a bot for MNQ. You could set up a bot then for ES and MES, right? So you could theoretically run 4. Inevitably, people lose money, right? There are some people that just cannot make money. And I'm going to tell you why. Okay? Here, I'll put it in writing. Because I guarantee you, if you are not making money consistently in this room, you cannot make money anywhere. I'm telling you, you cannot. Why do some lose money when others make money? This is, I'm going to tell you exactly why. I'm going to tell you why you guys don't make money. First, cherry pick trades. You guys will cherry pick, some people will cherry pick trades. I will give a for instance. I will say NASDAQ is a long here. This is a for instance, it's not a trade. And some people will look at it and say, that dude is fucking crazy. That ain't no long. I'm going short. Well, if you see what I see, we'd see the same thing. If you think you can outtrade me, then you should be short, right? If you can outtrade me, you should do something that you see. There are people in this room that can outtrade me. I have members that can trade every bit as well as I do or better. But for the vast majority of the members, that's not so. So I'm saying NASDAQ is a long down here, and you're saying it's a short, and you don't take my long. And the trade goes for $400. I'm just going to give examples, guys. And then I take another trade, and I say, okay, NASDAQ's a short, and you're going, the hell it is, man. That's a long now. It's long. And you don't take the trade. And I make $400. I'm up $800. The third trade, I say, well, NASDAQ's a short. And you say, you know what? He's been right twice. I'm going to take the trade. And I'm wrong. And I lose $400. Well, I'm still up $400 and you're down $400 now. You cherry pick trades. ES is long at a level. You don't take the trade. Crude is short. Some of you will not and refuse, categorically, wholeheartedly refuse to trade something other than what you want to trade. Super. We're all free in this room. Some of you will not trade certain instruments. I will never trade crude oil. I hate the Saudis. I will not trade their damned oil. Okay? We're going up, fellas. And you don't trade crude. And crude today, we had over $1,000 runner. I am never trading natural gas. Never. I've never even traded a bond. Why would I look at ZB? All right, yesterday we had a trade that was good for 18 ticks at $31.25 a tick, $600 a contract. I don't trade bonds. Today I had a long on bonds, huge winner. I had no losing trades today. None, not one. Not one order flow trade lost money today. Here's a big one. Refusal to hold to targets. This is the problem that most losing traders have. In fact, all of them. Myself at one time, many of you in the room. Y'all are so used to losing money that when you guys see a trade that's up $300, your panties come unbunched. Can't wait to get out of it. Man, made $400. Wow. Oh, God. Next trade. Today's the day. My ES trade today. First thing this morning, aggressive traders could trade it at 94 with a first target at 3,700. Some did. Conservative traders could take it at 3703 with a target at 25 to 30. And we got 25 to 30 handles depending on how you traded it. I would bet my toes, which would render me incapable of walking or standing. I would bet my toes that some of you took that trade at 03 and couldn't get out of that sumbitch fast enough. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm no longer trading, Stuart. I'm done for the day. If you're green, you're green. I'm sure you are. I'm done trading for the day. We came right down into my 36.25, and that was the long entry, 25, but I'm done trading. Your next entry would be above 65. If you were long at 25, you're trading it back up to 65. I wasn't watching, merely because that trade was frozen. I'd have been long at that 25. That is major support. Some of you guys don't make money because you refuse to hold the targets. You will willingly take a stop loss. You will willingly take a stop loss. Stop is 20 handles. Your long NASDAQ right now again, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20. Your NASDAQ is long again, and it's going to go. But you refuse to hold a trade to targets. You will not do it. I would rather you guys get up 5, 6, 7, 8 handles, put your stop at break even and walk away. I'd rather you broke even than took $400 on a trade that gives you $4,000. Today, on the first ES trade alone, the long, 30 handle trade, fellas, is $1,500 per contract. Then I gave the short at 90 with a target at 65. That's 25 handles more, $1,250 per contract. Refusal to hold to targets. These are the primary reasons when somebody says, I didn't make money or I can't make money, why you don't make money. In the end, it all boils down to one thing. Fear. It all boils down to this, fear. If you folks are afraid of losing money as a trader, you are in the wrong business. You are in the wrong business. If you guys take a trade and it goes against you and you find yourself apprehensive, fearful, scared, then you have traded in a size that is too big for you. If you guys are one contract trader and the ES pulls back 7 handles, 8 handles, and you've got $400 in draw and you're uncomfortable, then you should be trading micros. Now, let me ask you guys an honest question. Do any of these here, you don't have to answer me. You have to answer yourself. Do any of these things here describe you? Some of you guys have been members with me for a very long time. My entries are pretty damn good. My targets are pretty damn good. Do I have losing trades? You bet your bippy I do. When I can get to the point where I never have a losing trade, I promise you, we will go in with everything we own. We will take 10 trades in one day and retire in 2 weeks. That's just not the case, guys. So if anybody in the room did not make money, and I have one person that said they did not make money. Nah, you're right. I'll never retire. I guarantee you that the person that said I did not make money falls into one of those three, if not all three categories. I would guarantee it, and literally, I would bet my life on it. Thank you, Isaac. Guys, as a reminder,